Welcome back. Glad you're watching the Lunchtime News. Time for business. The government will push for a review of existing policies in the energy sector to reduce the cost of gas cylinder and help combat clean cooking crisis. Speaking during the International Energy Agency Clean Cooking Africa Summit in Paris, Energy Cabinet Secretary Davis Chirchir says the government will address the cost of LPG gas cylinders to ensure fair competition.
Years, Kenya has made major strides in transitioning from dirty fuels to clean fuels, with 53% of urban homes and 5.6% of rural households using liquefied petroleum gas, according to the Energy and Petroleum Regulatory Authority. Overall, 24% of Kenyans use clean fuel and technology for cooking, according to the Kenya National Bureau of Statistics. Medical experts argue that the inhalation of hazardous smoke from cooking is the second leading cause of premature death among women and children in Africa. To address this, a government is seeking to develop policy and structure for clean and sustainable cooking solutions to eliminate the dependence on biomass as primary fuel sources.
The initial cost of entry is a big challenge, and what we're trying to do is to grow that space, and as government have policies which address how do we get those living below the poverty line to access and overcome this cost of entry, bring in enough competition.
Further, a bigger vessel will be brought in Mombasa, linking Kenya, Uganda, and Rwanda.
We have a program today where we are trying to bring down the cost of clean cooking, particularly gas, bringing in big ship. We want to leverage on our geopositioning of Mombasa to bring in big vessels for Kenya, for Uganda, for Rwanda, and enjoy the volume of the scale of investment in bringing in a bigger ship.
Chirchir spoke during the International Energy Agency Clean Cooking Africa Summit, where Africa secured $2.2 billion to expand clean energy initiatives. Frederick Muki for Lunchtime News.